Good morning and welcome back to my channel, Urban Backyard Container Gardening. I'm Moses. This is the last update for the WIG 2023-2024 Indoor Grow Challenge. What you're looking at is my chop crop collard green and some Merlot lettuce and another type of lettuce. The collard green did real well, is doing real well. It's tall to the point where it's touching the light. And because of that, it has shaded out the other two plants. They're not doing very good at all. So what I'm going to do, not today, but sometime in the near future, is to go ahead and harvest the collard green and put it with some more that I have, and it should be able to make a meal. And then I'm going to clean out the pot and put it away to get ready for our move up to northern Florida. I've really been very happy with the lead pot. It grows just about anything that you want. And the last update on the for the challenge, I mentioned that the only downside to it is that the grow spaces are very close together. So depending on whatever you're growing, you have to take into consideration that it may shade out its companion plants. And in this case, the collard green did exactly just that. It shaded out everything. But other than that, it's a good product and I love it. Next, we're going to go take a look at my tomato that is growing hydroponically, and we'll see where that's at. Okay, here we are looking at the tomato. If you remember, this tomato was started outside, and I brought it inside and put it into the deep water culture here. And the first week or so, it seemed to really struggle, not doing well. Um, Overall, the tomato is not doing as well now as what I hoped that it would do. It is growing, but the leaves look a little odd to me. Um, it's doing well. It has, this little experiment has shown to me that you can take plants that were started in soil and bring them inside and put them into deep water culture, and they will grow. So I plan on doing this in the future, and hopefully I'll be able to be a little bit more successful. If I had more time, I would be interested to see if this would sprout flowers and then tomatoes. It looks healthy and all, but like I said, it does look a little weird. The leaves do. The system itself, I'm impressed with and I like. So we're going to continue to use it. And one of the first things that I want to do when we get situated is to start my seeds inside the tent. Um, I have a lot of seeds that I want to start. So I have a 162 cell tray that I just might be able to get 162 plants started, but we'll see. So overall, I enjoyed doing the indoor grow challenge. It was fun. I learned a lot from everyone that participated, and I'm looking forward to doing it again next year. If you enjoyed the content, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of vegetables for myself and my family, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like and notification bell all, and you can share the content. Until next time, always remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow a great amount of food for yourself and your family. Stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow. Lastly, and most importantly, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Until next time, take care.